love, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited that you guys hopefully enjoyed my long intro today. I just did a lot of work to get this intro together, you guys, so please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up if you appreciate it. Anyway, without further ado, let's go on to this The Vault, which is called The Vault. Once again, just in case I mispronounce it, I'll put it on the screen. This is from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection. I am super excited. This is their 4 badass mirror palette, you guys. It's literally like hitting the jackpot. This is the theme for this whole collection, and I'm living for it. The thought that they put into this whole entire collection, like the PR packaging, is just freaking amazing. I'm so thankful to Morphe and their whole entire fucking team, because they're just amazing and supporting such small people like myself. So anyways, moving on into this beautiful collection, you guys. It's 4 palettes. They all bring a mirror, which I really enjoy. Each palette which will retail for $15 each, and you're also able to use their affiliate discount codes, which I'm sure you can find it anywhere because everybody almost has one. Not me though, not me, so just getting out of the question. And you're also able to get the 4 palettes together for $49, which I think is a great deal. And again, you're able to use the discount codes that you'll find anywhere. I'll be sure to leave some for you guys down in the description box. But yeah, you guys, this will be launching on June 26th, near my birthday, which I'm super excited. Anyways, let's get right into swatches, because I know you guys are dying for those. So let me tell you a little bit about these swatches, just because I'm gonna be real with you. First, let me tell you the name. The first swatch that you see in here are from the palette Arm and Gorgeous, and just each palette has a name. So this is the Arm and Gorgeous palette, and I show you first how this swatch with just 1 swatch, you guys. Then here is with 2 swatches. I'm gonna be 100% with you. This does not swatch pretty. Like, these palettes swatch so ugly and so bad compared to how they go on the eyelid. It's like almost insanely crazy. So here I'm showing you the palette that's called Dark Magic. Once again, it's super pretty. This is more on the vampy dark side, very fall. I really like it. I cannot wait to try this one. But yeah, you guys, these palettes swatch so bad. Like, I hate the way they swatch, and even Jaclyn Hill actually did say that she hated the way they swatch it when she was swatching them for you guys on her review collection video. So this one here that I'm showing you is the Bling Buzz eyeshadow palette. This is where you have your mauves, your purple, your pinky tones. Super pretty, super like wedding type of ish, you know. Super summery as well. Very nice. I love this collection. Once again, I'm just showing you a few swatches. I did went over these swatches a couple of times, you guys, to get the pigmentation, because I'm telling you, when you swatch them on the arm, it's a whole different story, you guys. Like, it's literally not the same thing when you swatch it on like when you apply it on the eyes compared to the arms. It's totally different. And I'm telling you because I already used it on my eyes and I already know the deal with this. So yeah, and I actually got this palette confused. This is actually the Arm and Gorgeous one. The other one that I told you on the first one, I don't know why I got that confused. Sorry, but yeah, this is the Arm and Gorgeous eyeshadow palette, not the other one that I showed you guys. But I just want to show you guys a little quick vision of Monday's tutorial. Is a makeup tutorial using these palettes, and I just want you to see how pigmented they are. This is why I always say never judge a freaking arm swatch, because it's not going to be the same. It's not going to work the same on the eye. These palettes, I can tell you from now, right now, they are freaking amazing, and I'm saying that because I use a few of them, not just one. So here are just a comparison between all of them together. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this mini like review. Don't forget, Monday I will be having a full-on tutorial in depth for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And once again, I'm just showing you here each other palette. I think they're freaking beautiful, you guys. They're definitely worth the money. I think the price range that they gave is like on point, because $15 plus discount code, I think you can't go wrong with that. Like, it's really awesome. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are getting any of these. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys were freaking excited about this palette. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to talk to you guys and hear your opinion, your thoughts about these palettes. Anyways, without further ado, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to help you girl out. Until next time, guys, I'll see you.